Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to set up Auto Invest Fidelity. Open your Fidelity app and sign in, tap Accounts, then choose Automatic Investments and select the account you want to fund. Enter the contribution amount and pick frequency, link a bank as the funding source, review details carefully, and confirm to enable automatic transfers. Monitor confirmations in-app or by email and adjust amounts anytime to stay on track today. Setting the right amount and cadence is key for steady investing. Start by picking a contribution amount that fits your budget and your goals, then choose how often transfers occur, like weekly or monthly. Confirm the start date and any minimums required by the specific Fidelity account, and think about syncing transfers with paydays to avoid cash flow issues. You can always log in later to tweak amounts, dates, or frequency. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a fun, compact way to set timers, hear confirmations, and play focus music while you manage finances. It fits on a desk or kitchen counter and sounds better than you expect. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Linking and confirming your funding source complete setup smoothly. Use instant verification if available, or confirm microdeposits to authorize the external bank. You can also use an internal Fidelity cash balance if preferred. Double-check the contribution amount, frequency, and target account on the final confirmation screen, then save or screenshot the confirmation for your records. Monitor the first transfer to ensure everything posts as expected and adjust if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.